So the last time we talked, remember I told you guys I did a Victoria's Secret order because I just wanted some panties on my ass. Like, I was just so sick of shit being up my ass. So everything has finally came in the mail. So let me show y'all real quick what I got. Also, a lot of y'all asked me, like, where do I shop for my bras? Because y'all noticed that I am, like, top heavy. Real quick before I forget, so today I decided to go to MAC. Haven't been to MAC in a long time, but y'all know one thing about MAC. MAC is gonna always keep the girls together. Whether it's the face, the lips, the eyes, it does not matter. MAC is gonna always come through. So I went out to MAC and I picked up the Root For Me lip liner, which I have on today. It's not really pulling purple like it normally does. Normally it pulls deep purple on me, maybe because I got like foundation on my lips, so it kind of toned the purple down a little bit, because I definitely was using Current at first because I wanted something that was more like a reddish brown instead of a purple. And I did get the new pink peppermint, which I have on my lip right now, which is gorgeous. But I felt like at one point these two together was giving me like Nicki Minaj, Viva Glam back in the day, like that lilac purple look, and that so not was the look that I was going for. So I was really going to take this back, but I started playing around with it a little bit more, and yeah, fell in love with it. It's really pretty. To me, Current looks really, really pretty with this pink peppermint lipstick, which is like a pinky color. Let's see. See? Yeah, it's real pretty. So I knew I was going to keep the lipstick. I just didn't think I was going to actually keep the pencil. But one thing about the pencil, you can always play around with it to get the color that you want. So anyways, so like I was saying, I finally got the order in that I was telling y'all about maybe a vlog or two back. I do got on Skims today, by the way. But yeah, so it finally came in the mail. I'm going to share with you guys what I got. The sizing is perfect. Typically for my big girls, because they have grown so much since I had Ari, I literally thought that I could not shop at Victoria's Secret anymore because the bras just did not fit me. But really, it's just the sizing I had to change up. And really, I almost can't really wear Victoria's Secret bras. Lane Bryant does have like some cute bras. You do just have to catch them when they release like the cute, colorful, pattern type of bras or whatever. Because, you know, if you're top heavy, you understand exactly what I'm saying. You don't get the pretty, fancy, sexy type of bras. You got black, nude, white, and you might get a pink. You might. So, yeah. Alright, so these are from Lane Bryant. So this one, let's see. I wanted to not wash these just yet. I wanted to save them to show you guys what they are. This one is the lightly lined full coverage. I don't know if y'all can see that. So I am a 38G. At one point I was a 38D. Then I went to a 38 double D. Now I'm at a 40G, 38G. I can really also fit a 40G, which is at Victoria's Secret. So anyways, the regular price of this was $62.95. I got it on sale for $25. Anytime I see Lane Bryant with a sale on their bras, I'm going to get me one or two because their quality does not miss. Victoria's Secret, I will miss with them because their quality does play with the girls nowadays. It didn't used to be like that, but now their quality is so not where it is. But girl, when I tell you, even though it's lightly lined, it gives me the perfect amount of support. It does not create like the whole back roll. It doesn't create that. It doesn't dig into my shoulders, and that's why I love Lane Bryant when it comes to bras. I just do wish that they had more patterns, more designs, and things like that, but I'm appreciating what they do offer because there's so many other companies that don't offer that and don't think about the girls with the bigger boobs or whatever. So, and of course, I had to get the black one. Even though I just said like black you can find anywhere, I don't feel like you can find like black and nudes or black with another tone to it. So I decided to pick up this one. This one again was like $25. The regular price was $62.95. I got this one for $25. This one is a 38G, so it's the same as the green one. It's just a different color. And I do own like two more in that style, and that's why I decided to get that style instead, because I know it supports the girls and I don't have like any spill outs or anything like that. Those are the only two that I got from Lane Bryant because they sold out of my other sizes. But right now they have a sale going on, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and pick up two sports bras. Sports bras, if you're top heavy and you're trying to work out and you don't want the girls to move, go to Lane Bryant. When I tell you they support the girls, you can wear it crisscross, you can wear it like going over the side. They're adjustable, they're comfortable, they keep the girls tucked and up. Like I'm telling you, Lane Bryant understands the assignment when it comes to girls with big boobs. So anyways, these are Victoria's Secret. I'm not even gonna lie. Most of the time, I prefer to have a bra that gives me that extra support but no padding and just makes me feel like so much more secure. Like if you are a top heavy girl, then you know exactly what I mean when I say like confident and just more secure with yourself when it comes to like your upper body or whatever. So I was very surprised that Victoria's Secret actually covered my size. Now I did have to do a return because I got the wrong size. So originally, like I told you, I'm a 38G with Lane Bryant. However, in Victoria's Secret, I am not a 38G. Girl, the girls were spilling all out. No way. So I did have to return the two bras that I got, and I ended up getting the 40G. This is different than the normal bra that I would actually pick up. This bra is like, let me show y'all. This is just a lacy bra. So I don't know. I'll put it in the description bar because I was gonna try to tell y'all how their stuff is. This doesn't have padding, but the cup has like a formation to it. So you can definitely tell it's going to have way more coverage with the boob area. This I just got because I just wanted something that was just a little bit more different than the normal bra that I select. I wanted something that was more sexier, and because I just don't see myself getting a breast reduction right now as bad as I want one, because I'm just scared it's chicken shit. I just don't think I'm gonna get one anytime soon. I just decided to just get this instead. So this one is a 40G. The bra that I have right here is called the Fabulous by Victoria's Secret Lace Full Cup Bra. Now, it's not giving full cup for me, someone who is more like a full-breasted girl. This is not giving full breast, but I guess in Victoria's Secret store world land, it is. So I end up getting a 38G. So with Victoria's Secret, they go all the way up to a triple D, which is parentheses an F. So technically the last alphabet that they go up to is a G, and 44 is the highest it goes up to. So when I got the 38G, I honestly thought like, okay, they don't offer anything else bigger than the 38G. So what I ended up doing was I was going to just go to the 38F instead, which would have been the 38 triple D. But then I got to thinking like, that's going to be way too big. Why would I go that big? So I just said, you know what? Let me just go up on, I think it's the cup size. Because the cup size is what I had a problem with. So I want to say that's why I went to a 40 and I stuck with the G. Because the G, I want to say, is the band size. I don't know. I remeasured myself again before I made this purchase. So I can't remember which is cup, which is band. So I end up getting the 40G and it fits me perfectly. So if you get a bra and you go with a different company and your boobs is spilling out, change the actual like number instead of the actual cup, which would have been like, I don't know, like just change this number. Whatever number it is for your boobs, change that instead of changing the alphabet and see if that helps, because it definitely helped with me. I was able to keep this bra, which I really wanted to, because like I said, it was just different than the traditional bras that I would normally get. So this is a unlined underwire lace lifting bra. Now, this just gives me like just sexiness, okay? It does not give me like, I don't know if I'll be able to wear this outside of the house and still feel comfortable, still feel like the girls are up high to the sky and they're not gonna spill out as soon as I like literally bent over or something. So I don't know if I necessarily wear this outside of the house, but I do think this is really cute for just lounge wear. If I'm not going anywhere that I feel like the girls are gonna be front and center, or you know, like I'm just wearing skims today and I want to be kind of chill up here. I don't want them to be so up. Then I probably will go with something like this because it's more of a relaxed look. It's not so bulky on you. For this to be a 38G, it does look a lot smaller right here, but it does fit. This is big as hell. Like, do you see that? You see how big that is in the inside? Literally, my whole hand can fit inside. I mean, I guess it's the same for this too. So maybe that's another thing that I can use in the future to realize if I can wear a bra or not, to figure out if I can wear a bra or not. If my hand can fit the actual cup, then I can wear it. Another reason why I wanted this bra to really work is because I wanted the matching panties. Y'all, I know I said I didn't want to shit up my ass, but every once in a while it's okay. So I picked these up. These are so cute. So cute. And it matches, of course, and y'all already know anything that's pink, I'm going for it. I did want like the khaki color, but they didn't have that in my size. The dark brown, which I have no regrets. It is so gorgeous, especially up against my skin tone. It is so pretty. Love. So same bra. Yes, I got the matching panties, and I also picked up like the 5 for $20 or 5 for $30, something like that. They're panties. Let's see. Oh, these look like cheekies. I ain't want no cheek. Oh God, why are they this big? Oh my God, why are they like that? These are still not what I wanted. I still feel like these are still not what I wanted. I still feel like at the end of the day, my ass gonna be hanging out. And I wanted something to like fully cover my ass. Yeah, these are cheekies. Oh my God. Why did I order these? And these are in the extra large. What is this here? Guess I'm gonna have to go buy some panties. And I know these are thongs. And I think they're kind of probably the same as the cheekies. They're just the thong form, yeah. So they're the exact same. See? The exact same. They're just thongs. So, I don't know. I mean, I guess with $25, they're fine. Share with y'all real quick that my order had finally came that I had talked about in the last vlog, but it does not include my panties. So, I gotta make another order real quick. Anyways, I'll talk to y'all in just a minute.